Alright everyone, this won't take long. Alright everyone, hands up.
Okay.
Open the vault. You can get the money from the vault. Don't stall. Bring up that money in stacks. The Two-Face, sir. Should we put up the dynamite? Not today. Alright, let's move out. Why'd you take the money?
Mr. Dent. I did not get to congratulate you on your previous heist yet.
Couldn't wait? I have another bank to hit.
No, you don't, Mr. Dent. For the time being, you need to keep people from finding you, until we can move on to the next part of the plan.
Sorry, Lex. We're not listening to you anymore. And the name's Two-Face.
They say I'm crazy.
You people give me such a headache. Joker, prepare for departure. Your part in this plan is next. Hey, kid.
Yeah,
Huh? What's the matter? Just a little bored.
well, you want to take the next patrol?
No thanks. Want some coffee?
Sounds good to me. Move any closer and we'll shoot.
I'm sorry, is the museum closed today? I don't think you want to do that.
Alright, boys, put those muscles to work and get that statue in the van. We're almost done here. So, time to go. You can't just... Ah!
Is the kryptonite.
The what?
The green crystal.
In the vault. Red room.
Retrieve the kryptonite. Yes, sir. Take the rest of the gold with you. Acknowledged. Pulling out.
Hey, Mr. Wayne, do you want to buy a newspaper?
Keep the change.
Thank you, Mr. Wayne.
something's come up. I need you to gather any crime-related news from now to 6 days back.
Alright, the information will be ready shortly.
Master Bruce. What is it, Alfred? I have 3 robberies here you will certainly find of interest. Before the Metropolis mine, Two-Face robbed Gotham's new 2-day-old bank. He took $1 million. The next day, the Joker robbed the Gotham Museum. He stole the new Zeus statue on display. However, little is known about the mine robbery. The equipment the thieves used was quite sophisticated, and they took all of the miners' gold. Mine? Interesting. The Joker? Strange, even for him. And Two-Face? Wait, you said he only stole $1 million. That means he'll be back for a second round. Then perhaps it is time the Batman intervened. Agreed.
Two-Face.
What are you supposed to be?
Call me Nightwing. You mean like chicken wing? No. Your chances don't look too good here, Two-Face.
You're one to talk about chance, kid.
Am I?
Easier on. Your choice. Bad choice.
We got him.
What's the matter, Two-Face? Why not just cuff me now, Batman? Watch out!
They're splitting up. I got the goon. Two-Face is all yours. My thoughts exactly. Closing in now.
Current situation is 1080. Fast method pursuit. You've got a roadblock set up ahead.
Perfect. Programming that flight pattern. Put a hole in that roadblock. You just don't give up, do you? Going up. Don't forget about this one, officers.